Hey there, Roblox fans! Welcome back to the channel, where today, we're diving into something every Roblox player needs to know: how to break free from the FPS cap and unlock the true potential of your gaming experience. So, let's get started. First up, grab your computer and head to the search bar. Type in Roblox. And then click on Open File Location. But wait, we're not done yet. Right-click on the Roblox player folder once more and choose Open File Location again. Now, within this folder, we're going to create another one. Name it Client Settings. Next, create a new text document inside this folder. It should be named New Text Document. If you don't see the extension, then you have to click on View button. Then untick Hide Extension from this file. After this, right-click on Rename button. Then change the name to ClientAppSettings.json. Write it without any gap. Then click on OK. Then open the file with Notepad. Now, it's time to paste in the magic code. You'll find the code linked in the description below. This code will unlock your FPS within Roblox, allowing it to reach a maximum of 1000. Then save the file, close Notepad, and let's move on to the final step. Then you have to open Roblox app. Then open any game in Roblox. I am using Fraps app to see real-time FPS. You can download it for free. Boom! Our FPS is now uncapped. And there you have it, folks. Say goodbye to the 60 FPS cap and embrace the smoothness of uncapped gameplay in Roblox. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload.